Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can resize your slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, what you have to do is to go click on the design button up here. Okay, click on design and navigate to slide size. Here you can see this arrow, the drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow and then navigate to custom slide size. Click on that. That will take you to this interface. When it takes you to this interface, you can change the width, okay, by using the arrows, okay, to change it to your preferred size, and then you can change the height as well. Once you are done, okay, you have to click on that OK. Then by default, it will select the maximize. What you have to do is to click on the maximize here, and you are good to go. Let's go do this one more time. I will go for slide size and then go for custom slide size. Here, under the slides sized for, okay, you have to click on that drop down arrow and then you can make a choice here. You can go for the on-screen show 4x3. You can go for letter paper. You can go for ledger paper. You can go for A3. You can go for A4 and so on and so forth, as you can see here. And if what you are looking for is not here, that is when you can use the width and the height, adjust them to fit the size you are looking for. Okay, then let me go for A4. For now, I will click on that A4 and I will go for OK. Then by default, it will select the maximize. I will go for maximize. Okay, here we go. So this is how you can change your slide size in Microsoft PowerPoint the easy way. If you think that this video is of good help, please kindly click on that like button. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you can. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.